Hello, I hope you guys like that intro. I'm gonna keep doing it from now on. I don't know. But we're playing Terraria. Terraria. With a tree. And I swear to those who skip through this, I know you have the attention span of a goldfish, but try to have some sanity. Alright, single player, I already made a character, and I'm gonna have to make a new world. I'm gonna make it medium. The Toilet of Frost? uh, I have played this game before, like a full playthrough. I have some good memories with my dad on this game. Uh, I guess the I don't know. Domo tutti jumo jumapai donde jumapai. All right. Corruption. Well, yeah, corruption. Uh, I guess I'll make it expert mode. Well, then I'll just do crimson. Uh, well, eh. Small, expert. Let's leave it up to random. I guess we'll just do a second world later once I'm done with this one for my expert. Alright, now we wait for this. Alright, and we are back. I'm gonna favor this. Oh wait, let me make sure we're back. Yes, we are. Alright. Alright. Let's get this started. First, start with mining a tree. Look up mining. Mining a tree. Chopping a tree down. But what I'm gonna hopefully be doing in this series is I will just be playing Terraria, and while I'm doing some more non-important things, like caving, chopping down trees, the sort, and I will be, like, almost talking about just random stuff on my mind. Like, for example, uh, I could talk about, for example, the indie game development scene, or like in the Steam community. Why do I have like no frames? What the heck? Okay. Uh, or just that sort. Um, or like I could talk about green screen kids, or I could talk about just if you're not an absolute imbecile, you know what I'm talking about. But that sort. Just like talking about anything almost, or telling stories. Alright. Uh, well, to get us right off the bat, um, I actually have a second channel. It's called HGX, and while I post mostly gaming videos on this channel, I will post my I posted a Pokemon card opening on there, and I posted Tears of the Kingdom shorts on there. Like I made a flying haircut machine, but yeah, I don't know. Not the best with talking, but this has been a fun thing for me to do. My hope is by the end of 2024, I want to be able to get to either 100 or 1,000 subscribers. Not 100,000, 100 or 1,000. If I get to 100 and I have good growth, then our goal is 1,000 for the few people that watch me. Um, and if I don't get there in time, then doesn't really matter. But it has been a dream, and it is, I don't know. It's just, it would be really cool. I don't know. And also, yes, I'm not just voicing over this later. I'm not that good at editing. Who knows, maybe I'll find this really nice editing software after. But I am just saying anything that comes to my mind. I don't have a script. I don't have a I don't have any notes. I just press the hotkey to start recording and decided I'm going to play Terraria. And of course, if you don't find me entertaining, don't watch me then. There's no need for like rude comments. There's no need for like any of that crap. Just don't watch me. A long life lesson that I've learned is if you don't like something, it's better to not outright say that you don't like it. It's most times better to just say, or just not. I don't really know how to explain it, but sometimes I've found that it's really easy to hurt people's feelings, but what it's not easy to do is, well, explain yourself. Dang it, I didn't mean to craft that. Uh, but what it's not easy to do is say what you want to in a kind way. It's so much easier to just scream at someone than it is, oh my gosh, that's a golden butter. That's a golden bird. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill. I'm gonna kill. I'm gonna kill. I'm gonna kill. Okay, and it's gone. Well, what can you do? I'm not too mad. I'm not too sad. Would have been cool to get, but there's no way I would have been able to. That's cool for the first episode, though. Hey, by the way, sorry about my dog, but that's cool. I found a golden creature. In the comments, I'd like you guys to say, I'm gonna be honest, whoever's gonna watch this is probably just my parents and maybe my friends if I decide to advertise myself. My dad, I don't remember what I said. I don't remember if I said friends or dads. Uh, no, can you not stomp? Uh, my brother just came through the hallway stomping. Uh, but yeah. I think I'll probably end this episode whenever I don't know. But I'm hoping to practice my editing. And alright. If anybody has suggestions for topics to talk about, whoa, my eyes just like flickered. The human body is like really weird. Hmm. But if anybody has any topics that they suggest to talk about, then don't feel afraid to. Oh, Hermes boots, nice. Put them in the comments. If you're gonna comment, you're probably gonna be the only one to. Uh, oh, slimes don't trigger. Oh, but I do. Oh, I killed this slime with a boulder. Oh, that's funny. Oh, well, we've had a golden animal and oh, crud. All right. My headphones are really low battery. Yeah, but this episode wasn't meant to be long. This episode was just supposed to be almost an introduction to what's gonna happen. So if I die here, I'm probably gonna stop it now. But my headphones are at low battery, which means I wouldn't be able to talk to my adoring fans, also known as my dad and possibly my mom. Oh my gosh, that's two heart crystals. One. Okay, crap. I want to get this. I want to get this heart crystal. Okay. Yeah, but we'll see how this goes. If I die here, probably gonna be the end of this episode. And I didn't. Another heart crystal. Obtain. um, do you know what I think would be cool? I feel that. Oh, the merchant arrived. I think green screen kids. I feel like it would be really funny if like they started like suing each other, like earn copyright striking each other because like you stole my content. You remixed it. You remixed it off of my content. You just hid your corner in the face, or hid your face in the corner. Not I didn't hit my corner in my face. Wait, bleh. Horrible at speaking. Uh, I don't know. Double waterfall. Um, I don't know the. Oh my gosh, that was close. Yeah, but I'm probably just gonna go until I die, and then that will be the end for Sir Henry the Great. By the way, all right, first thing we're talking about. I feel like cancel culture. I probably shouldn't talk about that. I'm gonna get like canceled because I'm talking about cancel culture. It'd be really weird to cancel a kid though. I feel like cancel culture is a bad thing. Like if someone says something racist, that's fine. Like no. Not like it's fine that they said that. It's fine that they're being ratioed, that stuff. But if something says something like if something says something if someone says something about an old grandma being pretty, then they're being canceled apparently. Oh crap. Okay. I think this is my I think this is my grave. Yeah. All right. This is going to be where I end this. But yeah. All right. Thank you for watching, whoever does watch, but Alright, thank you. Goodbye.